picture.
Wait, no. God, put the... Shit, let me put my Eagles coat.
My beautiful mother. And you got... Here, she doing. Got the cookies. Got everything. Got some tacos cooking. Oh, yeah.
You can't read between the lines. In the Bible it says, what goes around comes around. I'm on shot, and 3 weeks later he got shot.
It's currently 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if y'all can see me, I just got home. About to park up. Park up and spark up. Hey, beautiful. Stormy. Oh, yeah. It's been, I think my third time reading this, John. The book is really good. What do you want? What?
Eric Kendricks, 10 tackles, and a spot start today. And the 49ers, think about the